Step 1. Before you begin, ensure you have your Wi-Fi network name and password. Your router should operate on 2.4 GHz, only during configuration. 5 GHz can be re-enabled afterward. Position your phone close to the inverter, within 1-2 meters. Install the SolisCloud app, optional but recommended. Step 2. Turn off mobile data. For operating systems, settings, mobile data, off. For Android, settings, connections, data usage, mobile data, off. Step 3. Forget your home Wi-Fi. Forget your home Wi-Fi connection. Make sure you record your password before completing this step. Go to Settings-Wi-Fi, click on Forget. Step 4. Connect to the Solis Wi-Fi dongle. The Wi-Fi inverter dongle will show up as a Wi-Fi network, for example Solis_5812, in your available Wi-Fi list. The number after Solis will be the same as the serial number of your Wi-Fi dongle. See the example below. Connect to Solis_5812 or D_7812. Password 12345678 and small a. Note: the number shown here is just an example. You will have a different number that matches your Wi-Fi dongle's serial number. Once connected, it should say no internet connection or unsecured network. The Wi-Fi signal name may be D_5812 or D_7812. Step 5. Open browser and enter IP address. Open your internet browser, for example, Safari or Chrome, and enter the IP address 10.10.100.254 in the URL bar, not Google search bar. Then press Go, search. Note: depends on the firmware version, you might have two scenarios to enter the IP. On the old firmware with the default password 12345678. On the new firmware the user is required to set their own password. This password should be 615 digits and includes at least one number and at least one letter. For example Solis1. Once you enter a new password, the system will ask you to re-login. Step 6. Login. You should get a screen prompt asking for your username and password. Enter username, admin password entered in Step 5, Solis1. Click Sign In. Step 7. Select your Wi-Fi network. You will see a screen as shown below. From the top left corner, press Quick Set, second option. Press on Search button and look for your house Wi-Fi network. Step 8. Select your Wi-Fi. Select your Wi-Fi name and ensure that the RSSI signal strength is more than 30%. Anything below 30% is not recommended. Click OK once you have selected your network. Step 9. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Enter your home Wi-Fi password. Click on the I symbol to check the password before confirming. Click Save. Do not fill in any other fields. To obtain an IP automatically, it needs to be enabled. Note: after clicking Save, the stick will restart immediately. If the connection was successful, the wireless app mode of the stick will be disabled. If not, you need to log in again and perform the configuration process again. Step 10. Once you see the confirmation message, open your SolisCloud app and check your data logger status. Note: it takes about 10 seconds for the monitoring stick to connect to the network. If the green LED light turns solid, the setup was successful. If the green LED keeps flashing, the setup failed.